sige lang kang tawag wire, ka-boring, anak. Sige lang kang anak. So, ang dili boring ha, ang dili boring ang trabaho, mag-ihap, pila imong kwarta. Higi na, boring yun. Masih ka anak, oy, 20 mil, pamali akong wallet. Wallet pa, no? 20 mil. Pagtanap sa yung passbook sa bangko, ay, 5 million. Ay, mudyo na da, 10 million ako, mudyo na. Okay, dili lang boring. Kana ba sige repair? Nadawat yung electric pan. Ako pa nimo, ilabay na, kapalit ang bago. So, ay nalago na motor, ma-apply mo synchronous, pasagdi na tong synchronous ay namatay na to, no? Okay. So don't, okay? When you will get older, the most important thing is how you will protect your money. You earn money, you spend money. Ang makatuna nimo sa economics is a very good idea. Okay, this one, you start your own business, annual cost na siya. So, doon na kaani, depreciation man siya. So, whatever you do, for example, here at the center, I was the one running the business here. I know how much is the depreciation charge at tanang lamisa. All tables, all chairs, all air conditioning units, or lighting, I can estimate it how much does it cost as a depreciation per year. Because I have to analyze it. How much do we lose depreciation charge? How much do we lose? Because here in the review, September, you will end September. So we do not have classes on October. September, more or less, wala may sweldo na. September, wala may kwarta. October, wala may kwarta. So, duha ka bulan, wala may sahod. Then, we paid money to our staff. Bisag September na October, sweldoan na ako ng staff. Analyze salary. So, I have to account it. Okay? How much money I need, how many of you are needed, and the business is ongoing. So, kada negosyo ng imo nung naon, imo ginaginaw na. Okay? Wala may trabaho doon kabulan, but I think we can sleep well. Because we earn a lot naman for the following months. So, para negosyo. So, whatever business you're getting into, maghunaw na, yung kapila, depreciation. When you start your own construction firm, you buy pliers, BOM, screwdriver, etc. Maghunaw na, baka, kawato ni sa ako, mga electrician. Tinuod gina, ang electrician, mahawat, gina, ikaw tagiya, mag-andam lang anak. Nga sigurado gina, mawa na imong BOM. Maglabot yung electrician, kay dugay imong sildo, ihog ng imong BOM, 5 floors. Sure kay sir, nabuak noon daw. Pero gituyo, tag-hug, pliers, ipanghug lang, blagot din mo. Okay? Ang meager, ihog, mahal-mahal raman ito na. Muna ka dan. Okay? Oh, mahulog yan na, ihog na lang. Buak man sir, nahulog rin ko sir. 1 centimeter ang nahulog sir, buak man. Ang tinood na ito, gibuk-buk eh. Gago ng tag-iya naman. It may increase, ana-ana ba? So, part na sa trabaho sa negosyante, you have to think about that. Okay? Depreciation is money loss on your pocket. For example, you run a business, you have computed it, 40K. 40,000 nawala sa imong bulsa due to the price. If these chairs will be sold at the end of the year, nobody will buy it at brand new. So the value depreciates. So imo nang bitahon. Now, this one, okay, interest na sa kapital. Now, take note this one, you will not forget this one. Because why? You have to withdraw your money on the bank. If you start your own, you need money. Where will you get the money? Either you apply it for loan or that's your personal money. So you get your money on the bank. Now, if you get your money in the bank, you lose interest. Your money sleeping in the bank is getting 5,000 per month. Because you have withdrawn it from the bank will not give you interest. So, na kay 5,000 kada bulan, 12 months man na, 60 mil ang nawala sa imo. Imo ginagwintahon. 5,000 a month good ang imong income. I-withdraw mo nimong kwarta, the manager will not give you a check. So, imo ginambawion sa trabaho, 60,000 a month. Operating maintenance, okay? Rental. You rent an office, pay bills, telephone, water, electricity, salary of your employee. Every annual man ka, every year. Dako-dako sa ni. So, mo annual salary man kong mga botang ka at 300,000. Few employees only. Okay, assuming gamay pa yung negosyo. Assuming lang gamay pa itong negosyo. Okay, 30,000, sweldo tanan, anak. Yearly na siya, nya kaning 40, 60, 100. So, makabantay ka. Ang annual cost nimo around 400,000. Annual cost na. Annual expenses to run your business. Now, we are still doing feasibility study. Is that business you are thinking really feasible? Now, in feasibility study nimo, apila ni pangita ang annual cost. Okay? 400,000 ka, na maka-estimate mo sa ang income na ko 1 year, 1 million gina. Pero be careful ha, do not be assuming radyon ka. Maka-income like wala 1 million. Klaruha jud maka-income ka ba? Basig income yung piso ra. Because why? Remember ha, you withdraw your money in the bank as a capital. Mawala na si mo ha. Make sure you can really recover it. So after all, for example ha, 1 year, I will estimate it 1 year, morag minimum ko 500,000. Minimum income na ako. Okay? So, o maka-minimum income ka, pinaka-minimum na 500K, I think I'll advise you, go for the business. Every year, you will be earning clean 100,000 with your minimum estimate. Now, what about if this one will be raised to a certain number? Mahimo din mong 1 million. Di hayahay na ka, may ka 1 million, ganansya ko 600,000. Go ka sa negosyo. Di gani kakabot anong 400K mo, pahulay yun. Estimate mo, mura kisura anong 400,000 eh. Yearly income, 400,000, mardi ko kakuhaan na. Now, don't start the business, don't start that kind of business. I'll put the word kind ha. Don't start that kind of business. Because why? If you will not run a business that kind, you will not lose 40,000. You will not buy tables, you will not buy equipment. You do not lose this one. You did not run a business, you will not be paying rentals, paying salary, walay nawala sa imo. Let the money sleep in the bank. Tanaw ha, let the money sleep in the bank. The manager will give you 60,000 per year. Natulog rin mong kwarta. Compared ka magnegosyo ka ng negosyo 200K rin yung ma-income every year. Okay? So, feasibility na. Don't run the business, logi ka. So every time you run, pero make it scientific, no? Remember, it's your money. Dili na, o puhunan na kag 2,000, ayaw nag annual cost. Uy, no? Hindi ka, pakawaw na ka. Bay, negosyo kami, pilipunan. 2,000. Ayaw, bay, kwenta sa tag-annual cost. Hindi ko, karaan niya akong partner eh. 2,000 ra, kwenta ra. Pero mapuhunan na nga kag 300, 400,000, 200,000, 500 or 1 million man lang sa imong negosyo, pag una-una, gidaan. Remember, it's your money being lost. Okay? I remember na ito among silingan, no? Akong isod sa inyo, 65 years old, 20 million, retirement niya. Okay? Lesser than 1 year, wala, 1 centavo na habilin siyang account. Palpak na negosyo. Niya, 65 years old na ka, pag-retire niya, 20 million, bonus sa company, negosyo. Lesser than 1 year, no single centavo is left from the 20 million. And you are 65 years old. Don't tell me at 66, mga-apply ka kalit engineer sa kumpanya. May ka, boss, ma-apply mo balik pinanganaan na naka 66. Nobody will accept you. And you do not know, God wants you to die at the age of 100. Today, he is still alive, 80 plus. He looks like a beggar. Number 1 sa board exam during his time. One of the brightest engineer during the prime time of his life. Karon, maglisod og kaon ni sa kadlaw. Wa man di kwarta, wa makitro. At 70 years old, kinsa may mo patrabaho ni mo eh. Nga kana 70 dapat palit suri-suri na lang kana. That's why be wise. O piso ra mawala nimo, wala na kwenta. Pero may ka mawadaan kag 100,000, 100,000, 50,000. Sakit yung siya good na wadaan 20 million in less than a year. O ako pa niya, inahina yung nakagkamang badomenteryo. Ay mo wala panjud, musuod nila ka dito. Aral lang ko matogay. Mura maghapon, wala naman kay baliw, no?
Baliw.
Palit kag lumon daan na. Lumpad kag lumon. Pas ano, hindi mo pa daw kami interview. lagi trabaho. Number 1